Hey, I'm Chris, and thanks for switching to Mode Go. So, currently sitting in traffic. Today we are driving my 2015 BMW X5 diesel. I picked this up about 8,000 miles ago, about 2.5 months ago, which, yes, I've been putting on a lot of miles. One of the main reasons why I picked this truck up, its nickname is the Workhorse, and it is my do-everything vehicle. The reason why I bought this car is for daily driving it for work, as well as being able to tow vehicles to and from any of the tracks that I may go to in the future. Move the dogs around, really just anything and everything. It's nice to have a vehicle that has space, and luckily my new job pays for a vehicle, and this is the vehicle I chose. Why did I choose this vehicle? Well, I love the interior. I've always wanted a dark brown interior like this, and I just think this one looks great. It's a little dirty at the moment. I use it every day, but when it's cleaned up, it does look very well. Very good. Another reason why I got this vehicle is for the gas mileage. I'm currently averaging 28.5 miles per gallon, and I couldn't find anything else that had the towing capacity that this has, around 7,000 pounds, and gets that kind of gas mileage. One of the things I am worried about is longevity on this engine. I've seen some of the things that you need to do to take care of this, and I think I've got a good shot of making it pretty far. And my goal is to make this car last as long as possible. I'm hoping to have it for at least 5 years, if not longer. The goal is to pay this car off and, again, just make it last as long as possible and just be the workhorse I think it can be. Issues with this car. Thankfully, nothing major. I got a pre-purchase inspection before I bought it, and they said it was good to go. They have been correct so far. That being said, they did let me know that it doesn't look like any of the fluids have been changed on this vehicle, which BMW doesn't necessarily tell you to do that because they have lifetime parts, but a lifetime in BMW's mind is only 100,000 miles. So, of course I've changed the oil once. I'm getting ready to change it again. Next I'll be changing the transmission fluid, as well as the transfer case fluid, and then the differential fluid. Another issue I have with the car are the floor mats. I don't know why, but they just keep on pushing up, and it gets to the point where my foot is hitting the gas, and it's also hitting the carpet, and the carpet will like move up onto the gas pedal, which is just frustrating. I move it back almost every time. So I think I'm just gonna pick up some WeatherTech floor mats soon, or something like that. Maybe even get rid of them, I don't know. But some type of change needs to happen there. Another small issue this vehicle has are leaks. It leaks from the sunroof, and I feel like every single spot. When it does rain hard here, I will see a puddle of water. Not a puddle, I'll see a little water on all the seats, but there will be puddles of water in the driver's side and passenger side footwells. I haven't seen if there's any in the trunk yet. I'm hoping to fix that soon. Another issue this car has are some of the plastics are cracked or broken. Just looking around the interior, it's either missing a piece or there's a cracked piece here. I mean, obviously it's not the end of the world, but I would like to have those fixed, just because I really do like being in this car. So another issue I have with this vehicle are the tires. A few days after I purchased it, I got a piece of glass in one of the sidewalls. I replaced it with a used tire just to get it done quickly, but now I have mismatching tires. I don't think any of them are very good, so I would just like to replace them all with some quiet, long-lasting, let's eat up these highway miles tires. A second teensy problem I'm having with this car are the rims. They have this like yellowish stuff on them, and the previous owner, not me, the previous owner, has gashes in all of the rims, every single one, and I would like to fix that. I would like to have some thicker tires on as well. I just think it would kind of make this look a little better. And the final issue I have with this car is the infotainment system. It's fine, it works well, but it doesn't work great. Honestly, I'd love to have Apple CarPlay. It's just so convenient, especially when you have to use maps all the time like I do, to just have it pulled up and not have to have a hanger for your phone or your phone's dying. You know, way down in the future of owning this car, I would love to get an M-Tech bumper. I'd love to get the paint fixed. Not that it's terrible, and I'm gonna see what I can do with a polish and wax, but I just think those M-Tech bumpers look so good. I don't even mind if it's just the front bumper, and I still use the side skirts that are on here now, but I really do want that M-Tech bumper eventually. Alright, so next time you see the Workhorse in a video, we'll be changing the transmission fluid out. I'm looking forward to doing that. It's been a long time, so thanks for switching over. Have a great day.